Hello, lovelies. Join me as I make the most delicious pop puff ever. And I'm gonna start by putting my empty bowl with 3 cups of all-purpose flour. After which I'm gonna add in a cup of brown sugar. Sugars are solid. I have to melt it in warm water, and I add a teaspoon a teaspoon of nutmeg and a teaspoon of Himalayan salt, uh, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose yeast, and I mix everything together. I'm gonna add powdered milk into my melted sugar with warm water and mix everything together. Then pour it into the liquid, and I'm gonna just mix everything together. I was putting the water gradually because I don't want it to be too um, liquid and fluffy, so I had to do that gradually. I love my pop-off really thick and rich, so I try as much as possible to measure the water and add it as I go. So after this, I'm just gonna mix it well. Make sure it is this consistency because I want it thick, and then I'm just going to cover it and let it sit with a foil paper and also a very thick cloth. Keep it in a very warm place and let it sit for an hour. After an hour, I'm going to take it out and put it on, move everything, the cloth and the foil paper, wrap, and start frying. So you can see the consistency. It's still thick, very thick. You can add a little bit of water if you see that it's really thick at this point, but I love it this way. So before frying, and make sure that the oil is medium hot, not too hot. How do you know your pop-off is like oil is hot enough for the pop-off? Once you drop a pop-off in, it's gonna go back up after a few seconds. If it stays there for long, the oil is not hot enough. The puff is ready, and I've fried everything. This is me taking it out. See how warm and brown and golden brown it is. Yeah, and it's gonna taste so beautiful, so good, so good. So after this, I'm gonna fry everything on that pan. I won't show you that because I don't want the video to be too long. So this is me being done from frying everything, and see, I'm done. So I'm gonna break it open to see, for you to see the richness, the thickness. So you can use this for your function when you're going for any visit. Very easy, very cheap, very affordable. It's a very good snack. See, turn it over and see how brown it is. Yeah, very easy to make. So next time you want a snack for your family or for any occasion or ceremony you're going to, think about pop-off because your friends are gonna love it. And yes, on to the next video. See you next time. Bye.